Morning Fair Oak, so within this Teams video I am going to be showing you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. As well as this I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to upload work and hand in work and how it might look on your child's computer. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So when you're in Microsoft Teams, on the left bar you need to go down to Teams and then click on your child's class. I've got lots of classes here as I'm part of lots of groups, but you should just see your child's class. When you are in the general part of your child's class, your Microsoft Teams Meets might look in three different ways. The first type is a link, which you can see in front of you. It might also be a blue band, or you may see a grey band, and I will explain what each of those means in a moment. To start a meeting via the link, you simply just need to click on the blue link, which is in the box there, and it will take you to the part where you can start your meeting. The information will then load. All you need to do then is simply click on your camera. Ensure that your computer audio is also on, and then you can click join now, which I'm not going to do as I will be in a meeting by myself. Second way is via the blue band. So you just need to click here onto the blue band, which will take you to a meeting. Click and you will see this page, and in the top right hand corner you will see a blue button that says join. That will then take you to the same screen where you turn your camera on, click your audio on, and then join the meeting. Now, if you see a grey band within your child's general posts, that means that the meeting has been cancelled. So it might be there was a problem with it, or there's been a mistake with the meeting, so you won't be able to click on those, and don't worry about those ones at all. Children have been told to use the calendar function on the left-hand side to access their Microsoft Teams meetings. This is not something that the children have access to, so please ignore that and use either the links or the blue strips within the general posts of your child's class. Okay, so hopefully you found that useful. Now we are going to be talking about how to upload your child's work. Okay, so all of your child's work can be found in the Assignments tab. Once you're in the Assignments tab, you'll then be able to see the folders of each subject that your child needs to complete. So for example, if I click on the English one for this week, I'll be able to show you what your child may be able to see. Please be mindful that this is for Year 5, so if your child is within a different year group, it may look slightly different. You then need to click on the child's PowerPoint for the week. You can use the three dots to do this, and you should then see different options and select whichever one works best for your child on your device that you are using. The PowerPoint will then open and you'll be able to navigate your way through this just as you did when it was on the Fair Oak Junior School website. You're also more than welcome to print these if you would like to. For most of the days, there is no work for your child to submit. They just need to do it as they normally would at home on a piece of paper or on an electronic device. Now, there is nothing to submit for the Monday's learning, so once you're done watching it, you just then click off and then return back to the assignment page. Now, it is the work within the My Work bit that your child needs to send back to the class teacher. So you've got the reference materials which you don't need to send back and the My Work bit that you do. So on the day where there is work to submit back to your class teacher, you simply need to click on the Word document within the My Work section. Once you've clicked on it, it will simply open and then you will be able to edit it. To ensure you can edit it, you need to click the Edit bit on the top right hand side of your screen. And then it will work simply just like Word, where you enter and then your child can start to type their work. Once they have finished doing all of their work, you need to just click Close on the top right hand side and then their work will be saved. Even though they have completed their work, they have not yet successfully handed that work in. They need to click Hand In for the teacher to be able to see their work. Now, as you can see, the child has another piece of work to do on Friday. So to be able to do that, you do the same. You open up the document, you edit the work, and then the child can complete it and click Close when they are finished. Please remember that this work saves automatically, so when you close, the work will just save there. But as I've said previously, you need to be able to click Hand In for your teacher to be able to see it. Now, as you can see, it says Undo Hand In. That's because the work had already been submitted previously in the week. You simply undo the hand in and then re-hand in again for the Friday work. Now, not all children like to type their work. Some children prefer to handwrite it, so I'm going to show you how to upload a photo of some handwritten work. You simply need to click on the Add Work paperclip. This will bring up your documents so you can add a photo or even a separate document. So you upload from the device, which is on the bottom left there. You need to have saved the photo somewhere into your documents. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to upload something. So you will scroll down into documents to find the piece of work you want to upload. I'm just going to use a French PowerPoint for an example. You then click Open. The work then will load. The green bar will load across the bottom of the screen, and when it's complete, you will be able to click done and your child's work will be uploaded. You can do this from a phone, a tablet, or a computer as long as the photo or the work is saved somewhere on that device. As I've said, once it's loaded, you simply just click done. That piece of work will then be added to your child's work file. You need to make sure that you do still click hand in on the top right though, so that photo or picture will be submitted to the class teacher. So just a reminder that any work within the reference materials does not need to be submitted to your class teacher. It's only the work within my work that needs to be submitted and handed in using the top right hand side of your screen, the hand in button to do that. Thank you for watching the video and I really hope that you found it helpful.